Hey guys, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install a extension on your Chrome browser. So first of all, I'm going on here, then go to three dot menu, then go to extension, then manage extension. You can see here there are lots of extension I already have installed. So I want to install another one. Just go to Chrome Web Store. Then here are type anything you want to add. So example purpose I type VPN. So here there are lots of VPN available for free and paid, but this is urban VPN proxy are one of the best VPN for Chrome browser. So I want to add here, just click to add to Chrome, then again click on add extension. Then after a few seconds it's will be added on your Chrome browser. You can see already downloaded on my PC. So I click here, waiting for adding to Chrome. Okay, already done. So wow, already added on my Chrome browser. So this is a method you can install an extension to your Chrome browser. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.